we'll guide you through how to create a freeze frame in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and create a new project by clicking the New Project button. Import the video clip you want to work with by dragging it into the media library. Next, drag the video clip onto the timeline. To create a freeze frame, scrub through the timeline and find the exact moment you want to freeze. Once you've found it, make sure the playhead is at that spot. Now, right-click on the clip and select Freeze Frame from the drop-down menu. This action will split your video at the playhead and insert a still image of that frame. You can see this freeze frame as a separate element in your timeline. If you want to adjust the duration of the freeze frame, simply click and drag the edge of the freeze frame element to make it longer or shorter. This flexibility allows you to control how long the viewer focuses on that specific moment. If you need to add effects or transitions to the freeze frame, you can do so by selecting it and using the tools available in CapCut. Adding text or overlays can help emphasize the freeze frame further. Once you're happy with your freeze frame, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Export to save your video with the freeze frame effect included. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.